Okay. Titration session number 1 is done. It's fairly standard. Going through medical history, talking about how my ADHD affects me. So, talking about my racing thoughts, my lack of executive function, my inability to sleep most of the time, my dependence on caffeine and other stimulants like nicotine to help me get through the day and focus and what have you. Talking about medical history, my family medical history, kind of all general stuff. And I am going to be starting from when the prescription gets sent through my door. Some Elvance, all right, which is an amphetamine-based ADHD medication, so it's a slow release amphetamine rather than the methylphenidate, which is the more kind of Ritalin, that kind of one. So I'm going to be starting that in a week or whenever that script gets sent to me. So hopefully within the next few days, depending on how long it takes to get out. We're starting on 30 milligrams for the first week and then upping that to 50. And then on my next appointment, we get to adjust and check that out and see how that dosage is going. I may need more, I may need less. There's obviously a risk of side effects, headaches, nausea, lack of appetite, etc., etc., which I was kind of expecting. I've done a fair bit of research on these things before. But yeah, I'm really excited. I have been super nervous all day about this, and I still am super nervous about this, but I'm also intrigued. I want to see what it's like being medicated on ADHD, like being a medicated ADHD human rather than an unmedicated, late diagnosed ADHD human. But I've also got concerns. I've got concerns about the side effects. I've got concerns about it potentially changing who I am. Is ADHD just a part of me and a part of my personality, or like what's going to change? I'm pretty scared. I'm not going to lie. I'm pretty scared. I'm excited. I'm intrigued, but I'm pretty bloody scared about this. It's an interesting time. It really is an interesting time. Also, I do apologise for the terrible lighting, but I've literally just got off the call and opened OBS. But yeah, once the meds turn up, I'll take them and I will update you in a couple of days after that, and we'll go from there. But thank you very much for sticking around and listening to me waffle. But we are moving forward. We are making progress, ladies and gentlemen, and peoples and persons of the internet. So I will catch you on the next one. Peace.